Arrive in style with this 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer Oz Rally. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver vanity mirror, floor mats, bucket seats, automatic headlights, passenger vanity mirror, variable speed intermittent wipers, and rear spoiler. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.